Hi, this is Ayana. Today I am going to introduce about my favorite places in Hawaii. If you travel to Hawaii, I recommend these places. The first, I like Waimea Falls. It has out of natures and there is beautiful falls, so you can be fresh. Next is I like Diamond Head because climbing Diamond Head is hard, but if you climb early morning, you can see sunrise. It is very beautiful. The final is I like Ala Moana Beach because of course beach is beautiful, but Ala Moana Beach is not so crowded. So I like Ala Moana Beach. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.